So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for NBA app. So just scroll to search for NBA app. So when you find the NBA app, the NBA 2K mobile app, so tap on it for some while and you're going to see this pop up, which is app info. So tap on the app info and you're going to be in the app info of NBA 2K mobile. Now what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache. Now after tapping on it, tap on the clear cache, go back and also tap on force stop. Tap on OK to force stop, and after that tap on permission and make sure the permission is allowed, which is the storage. Now tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Just go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. So after doing this, what you have to do lastly is to go to Google Play Store to check for the updates of this app. So if you find updates, just tap on it, but if you find open, just leave it like that. So after updating the app, tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot on your device, then after that tap on OK to reboot or restart your phone. So if you don't have reboot or restart button in your phone or device, what you have to do is to turn your phone off by pressing on the power button, then after turning it on off, turn it on again, and the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.